My name is Priyanshu Satish Gujar, Class 8A. My story name is A Magic Pen. Munnu was very weak in his studies. His teacher always scolded him for his bad progress in the class. Sometimes Munnu tried to study more and secure good marks, but his result was even worse. Munnu was rebuked for his bad result by his parents also. He tried to get good marks, but he forgot whatever he crammed as soon as he saw the question paper from before him. Many boys did not like to talk to Munnu on account of his bad result. He was backbencher. Once the principal of the school called Munnu's parents and complained about his performance. Munnu decided that he would study day and night and would get good marks in the class. One day Munnu studied for the whole day as the half-yearly examination was about to begin. He was sitting on his chair and had a book in his hand. He felt sleepy and put his head on the table. He slept. After some time he woke up and saw that a new golden pen was lying on his table. He took the pen and started doing his homework. Munnu was surprised to see that it was a magic pen. It was writing the answer automatically. Munnu's happiness knew no bounds. He did all his homework with this pen. The teacher praised him for his perfect performance. Munnu became lazy and did not study at all. His examination started. He went to the examination hall and wrote all the answers with the magic pen. He wrote all the answers correctly. When the teacher checked the notebooks, she was surprised that Munnu had done the best in the class. She could not believe that Munnu could do so well in the examination. She called him and said, "Munnu, I am pleased with your performance in the examination. How did you do this?" Munnu told a lie. "Madam, I have worked hard to get good marks." He did not want to tell his teacher about the magic pen. Munnu was doing well throughout the year. After a few months, the final examination approached. He did very well in the final examination also and secured first position in the class. Even after getting highest mark in the class, Munnu was not satisfied. He knew whatever he was getting was only due to the magic pen. He did not deserve to top the list. He felt guilty. His conscience pricked. "You are a fool. You have not learned anything. In your real life, you will prove yourself to be a great fool. With the help of this pen, you may fetch good marks, but not the real knowledge." Munnu realized his folly. He was disillusioned with his success. He decided to throw the pen. He reached for it but could not find it. Suddenly Munnu tumbled down from his chair. His eyes opened and he woke up. He realized that he was seeing a dream, but he had to realize the fact that he had to work hard and get the highest marks. He really worked hard and scored first position in his class. Thank you.